Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to cover one of the most important function in string, which is called as format. So let me provide a scenario where we can use this format function for strings. Let's say I have variable age which is having 20 as value, and I have another variable text which is of string type. My age is, and after that I want to print this age, and now I will print text. So what do you think, what will be the output of this code? So output of this code should be my age is, and after that it should add this age value which will be 20. So it should be my age is 20. Let's save this, run format demo. Oh, we are getting a error. So what does the error says? So it says type error, can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So we have learnt about concatenation in the previous video. So we can add two strings, but not one string and one integer cannot be added. So how we can do this? So to overcome this error, we have this format method. So how the format method we need to declare? So let me show you this. So what we will do? So yeah, basically instead of this age, we will just add one placeholder. So what we want to print here age. So we will just give here one curly braces. So these are the curly braces. After that, what we will do, we will print this text, but we will add the function format here. So this is format. So format takes the argument, means we need to pass something to format which will be printed instead of this curly braces. So what if I don't pass anything to format? Let me save this and run it. See, I am getting here error which says index error with this line text.format replacement index 0 out of range for positional arguments tuple. So this is the error we are getting, means we are doing something wrong here. So what if I pass something here? So if I pass age, so let me show you the output. So you see, I am not getting here the error, and I am also getting the expected output. So what does this format method has done in our code? So whatever we have passed here, it will take the value of this curly braces. So in this way the format method works. So format method takes the passed arguments, it does some formatting with it and places them in that curly braces. So this was the use of format. So what we can do more on this format, let me give you another example. Let's say I have two variables. Let's say items, I will give it a value 2, and let's say price as 20, and I want to print text. Let's say I want to print like I want 2 items for 20 rupees. So instead of 2 I will print your curly braces. So I want 2 items, or say I want 2 pens for 20. So 20 will, sorry, I need to just provide your curly braces for 20 rupees. So here I have two placeholders, this first curly bracket and the second curly bracket. So in this case I need to pass two format, like two arguments in the format method. Let's say I pass items. So items has the value 2. So if I pass only items, what will be the output? See, it is giving me error. So why it is giving me error? Because there are two placeholders here and I have provided a single value. What if I remove this? So in this case I will not get any error. It will be just I want 2 pens for rupees. Let me show you. See, I want 2 pen for rupees. Let me add your curly braces. And now what I can do, I can provide two arguments, price, and if I run this, so see, the first one items is getting placed for the first curly bracket and the second one is getting for the second curly bracket. So here we are getting output, I want 2 pens for 20 rupees. So what if I change the statement here? Let's say I will pay, so here I will pay 20 rupees for 2 pens. Okay, let's save this. So output will be what we expect here, I will pay, but the first one is item, so it will print like I will pay 2 rupees for 20 pens. Let me save this. See, but what we want this 20 to be printed here and 2 should be printed here. So one way is like we can first pass the price and then we can pass the items. And if we save this, so we are getting here I will pay 20 rupees for 2 pens. So this was the one way to print this. Another way to print this is we can print, let's say if we print items first and price first, and if we give numbering to these curly braces. So how we can do this? Like I want price to be printed here, but price is the second one here, so I will type here 2, and here I want the value of items, so item is here first, so I will write here 1. Let me save this. See, I am getting here error. The error says replacement index 2 out of range for positional arguments tuple. So basically what we have done wrong here is, so it starts from 0, so item is at 0th position, so I need to give here 0, and price is at first position, so I need to give here 1. Let's say now, so see, I'm getting here output I will pay 20 rupees for 2 pens, because this is the first curly braces and it will have the value of this first price, because it is at 0th position item, so it will have this value. So in this way you can make use of format method. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.